Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there with my channel Best Inspiration Kitchen. Courgettes or zucchini are a delicious veggie that work well in so many recipes. But did you know that this summer squash also boasts many impressive health benefits? I will tell you how. Courgettes are high water content and high in antioxidants. They are rich in fibers and also contain vitamin C and potassium. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare a delicious, healthy, tasty, gluten-free courgettes pizza with vegetables. Stay with me, you will really love this recipe today. Let's start. This recipe, so I will need zucchini or courgettes, like that we call it in gastronomy. So courgettes, I will wrap them. Now I'm finished. I put 4 pieces. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and I will let it for 5 minutes. And then see, because we don't need water, so we let it dry. Now see the result like that. Dried zucchini. Perfect. Here I have this. We'll add a little bit salt. Okay. Then I will add some chopped parsley. So here I have chopped parsley. Perfect. And here we will make the difference. I will add some fresh thyme. It really gives a beautiful flavor. Perfect. This thyme will make the difference. I will add a little bit chive. Here, chive. Perfect. Some fresh ginger, just a little bit. Perfect. 2 eggs and the second one. Perfect. And we season with pepper, black pepper, like that. Just here the tree. I will make something here to have a circle for effect. It's perfect like that. I will put it in the oven as 5-6 minutes, 180 degrees. See you later. After 5 minutes, here is the result. And I have my homemade tomato sauce. I just made it with cherry tomato, basil, garlic, some olive oil, salt and pepper. I will add cherry tomato again. I choose other colors. Here I have, for example, yellow, red, and you have different. If you have different colors, you can put them. Just to make it tasty. Perfect. Then I will add some yellow pepper. Also, can put them here. Perfect. To give this contrast of colors. Here I have some basil to give this green color and also to taste. Then I have here a little bit of dry oregano, just like that. Perfect. And just a little bit of olive oil. Perfect. And I have cheese at the end. Wow, perfect. This low-fat cheese. If you don't have, you can put just mozzarella. Wow, perfect. This we'll add these colors also. Then a little bit of pepper and a pinch of salt. Perfect. Yes. Then I will put it in oven. My pizza. Wow. Delicious pizza. We see the delicious pizza. It's perfect. Then I hope you will try this at home and give me your feedback. See you next time. Another video, another recipe, and bye bye, and enjoy this delicious, tasty, healthy vegetarian pizza.